Hey there, Joey from PowerhouseAffiliate.com. Today I want to do a video about why you should not do affiliate marketing. And I know this goes against everything else that I do on the Powerhouse Affiliate channel, but really in reality there's a lot of people that don't understand how much work and effort goes into making a successful affiliate marketing business. And a lot of people come to me with their last 20 bucks wondering if they can just desperately find something that's going to work. And I want to tell those people right now that if you've only got $20 to your name, or you're on your last stretch and you're hoping to make a lot of money with affiliate marketing and this is your last chance, then you should not be going into affiliate marketing. And I'm going to talk about 6 reasons why most people fail at affiliate marketing and how we can prevent ourselves from being those people. But at the same time, I want to give you a reality check on how affiliate marketing works and why you need to get a job if you are desperately seeking to make money right now. So let's get into it now. Okay, let's start with the number one reason why most people fail at affiliate marketing is they underestimate the amount of time and money required to start affiliate marketing. For example, any successful affiliate I know has a website and has content on that website, and they drive traffic to that website. All of those things require some type of budget and time commitment. Just to create a website, you're going to need to buy a domain name, you're going to need to buy web hosting, you will need some type of tracking solution, and you'll need a way to create landing pages. Those are 4 simple tools you need just out of the gates that'll cost you anywhere from $200 to $400 depending on how you choose your products to build your business. Now, if you don't have $400, then you're gonna have to start doing this on the side, maybe get a job, earn enough money to buy the tools you need to set up your business. Those are just the basic tools. If you want to go a little more advanced and start using competitive intelligence tools like SEMrush, or you want to use automated bots like Jasper to write content for you, again, these tools will cost you money, but they'll speed up the way you build your business. And in a sense, you'll spend less time doing things by using tools to do it for you. So there is a commitment of time and money that you have to understand. And if you don't have any time or money right now, then affiliate marketing is not for you, and you need to get another system of making money. So the second big mistake a lot of people make is they rush and they sacrifice value. A lot of the content on your website needs to be 100% original content. This takes time. You must be able to create content for other people because really, in a sense, affiliates are just publishers. We are publishing content and we are hoping people read and engage with our content and then eventually click off to an affiliate product where we earn commissions. That is the simplicity of affiliate marketing, but you need to have high quality content in order to make money. And if you're not providing value to somebody, you're not going to make any money. Number 3, a lot of people underestimate the power of relationships. This industry is full of ideas. There's lots of different campaigns that work and make a lot of money. But if you don't know anybody and you don't understand the power of relationships and talking with people and engaging, then you are going to miss the boat on certain things that are happening. For example, rules are constantly changing. There's new offers popping up every day. There's new ways to optimize your website. There's new ways to get traffic. And by being part of a community of people or being part of a newsletter where you're understanding and seeing new things constantly, you are in a position to have more success. On that note, that is why we created the newsletter at dayjobhacks.com. You can go join our newsletter there and you will get a bi-weekly update of the industry. We also have a community forum and stuff like that at powerhouseaffiliate.com where you can be part of a community of people who are doing this every single day and you can keep ahead of the curve by understanding what's happening in the industry. Number 4, a big mistake a lot of new people make especially is they choose the wrong affiliate products and it results in them immediately losing their ad accounts. Or they don't understand how to set up ads first and then they go in and they set up ads to particular products that will immediately get them banned. For example, a lot of things around diet pills or supplements or anything that you inject into your body or eat or consume will automatically likely get you banned on places like Google or Facebook ads and TikTok ads. So by not knowing these things up front and just picking random shady affiliate offers, you will immediately reduce your chances of success in the future because you're rushing in to set up ads on these platforms that can be very valuable in the future if you understand how to use them. So be careful when picking out your affiliate products to make sure that you're picking things that follow the rules and that you're not trying to just quickly try and make a bunch of money because some random guy on YouTube told you this is a way to make money. Which leads me to number 5, which is a lot of people get sucked into fake gurus or poor affiliate marketing training. And there's a whole bunch of people out there that have methods that, they're trying to train people. But let's be honest, if people are training you on a simple method of how to build an affiliate campaign and make a bunch of money, there is a hidden motive behind that. There has to be something that they are getting. For example, the other day I saw some guy on YouTube showing people how to make money pitching auto loans on TikTok. And once you watch the video and you see what they're doing, they're copying other people's videos and randomly spamming TikTok. Sure, it made some money up front, but really in reality, that person that shared that was the owner of an affiliate network that had that particular offer. So in reality, he was just trying to get a bunch of people to run the offer through him so he could make a bunch of money. There's a hidden motive, so understand that some of these quick get-rich-quick schemes around affiliate marketing oftentimes have a hidden motive. So just by understanding that affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, there is a lot of work behind affiliate marketing, building a website, building good content, and knowing this going into it will help protect you from these get-rich-quick schemes. Number 6 comes down to distraction and procrastination. A lot of people, when they first start out, they get distracted. We call it the shiny light syndrome, where you just see so many different ways to make money online that you try them all and you make no money because you aren't focusing on one thing. The reality with affiliate marketing is that what we are doing is we are publishing content. If you focus on publishing high value content online and giving customers or potential customers the information they need to make good decisions, you will make money. That is it. Don't get distracted on these shady methods of trying to get traffic quick to some weird landing page or anything like that. Just focus on providing value and content to people, and you will see over time you're going to make money. You don't have to go into this full time. A lot of people do this on the side. This is something that I started on the side. I was doing it 2 to 3 hours a week sometimes. And then eventually over time, I learned the business and focused on a specific website. But I made mistakes too. I made a whole bunch of mistakes along the way, and hopefully you don't make the same mistakes. And that is why I made this video in the first place, is because I want to make sure that you understand how affiliate marketing works, and that with patience and persistence, you can actually make a decent amount of money at this every single day by focusing on providing people value. So I hope this video helps you understand the truth about affiliate marketing. If you want more content and more stuff from me, either like, share, comment on this video, subscribe to my channel, and come join our newsletter at dayjobhacks.com, and you can get more of our content every single week. Thanks for watching. See you next week.